Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that have the Osmo Action 5 Pro and you want your colors to come back. You see this? How nice and blues, and I got my blues. Before I was looking kind of pasty, pale, and by default out of the box, this camera is not like the Osmo Action 4 where you can just point and shoot. So I put in a support ticket with DJI and they gave me the secret formula that might work right for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to show you two clips. One of the clip out of the box experience and what you see right now. Why this happens, I don't know. It's possible they might push another firmware update that will just by default make what you see right now the true experience. Or I was actually told that this is the pro version for those who like cameras and playing with the settings and know what the fuck they're doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to be in a similar predicament. And apparently there's going to be another Action camera, just the Action 5. So this is the Pro, and I guess there's going to be an Action 5, supposedly. I don't know. Anyway, let's get your camera fixed so that you can have the true colors and you don't look like you're from the techno color days. All right, come. This is the out-of-box experience with the Osmo Action Pro 5. The default colors just don't work. So moving forward, I'm going to show you the settings so you can just get your colors to look natural and not like this. Okay, so let me just go over the settings really quick. You want to make sure you're in camera mode and you're going to click right there. Okay, we'll start with the top. Most likely yours will be like this and you'll see the Pro. You're like, oh, what does that button do? Select the Pro. Whoops, click confirm. Select the Pro. Okay, and then we'll start with exposure. It's set to auto, but now we're going to change things. You want to change the right there. The S will be minus 0.7 EV. Okay, you probably have something else by default, so just scroll until you get, remember, minus 0.7 EV. And for the ISO, you want that to be 100 to 800, and that should do the trick to bring things back to normal so it's not so bright. I'll show you what I have here. That's set to AWB, and then right here, stabilization, just set to daily. You could choose, you could choose sport, but for me, I just chose daily. Color, I chose normal, 10-bit. Now, these settings that we just chose previously should make the dlog experience a little bit better. And then so I'm just leaving here 10-bit normal for me. But remember, if you like dlog, that should change things, especially when you want to add the blues back. And again, color right there. And I believe that is it for that. You could go into here and for these settings. I have standard warp. It's just, so you know, leaves the screen wide, but a standard wide. And then you have wide and ultra wide, and that's pretty much. And I leave Rocksteady on. I don't have Rocksteady Plus. I'm not a big fan of it, but that's it. But if this is just to cover everything, so you can get your colors back and you don't look sort of pasty or sepia tone or strange, you know, when trying to use your camera right out of the box. Kind of neat, huh? You go from this to this. Which is better, of this or this? You decide. I mean, hopefully you have the same experience, if not better. But it's just that little fix that will make everything just right for you. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.